Hi friends, welcome to my channel SV Technologies. In this video, we are going to learn most valuable skills to learn in 2020 for students. Coding. With the coming rise of the Web3, AI and blockchain, coding is more valuable than ever. Here, I am going to give the resources where you can learn these courses also. Code Academy is the website where you can get all coding languages and the coding project. If you come to YouTube, free code camp, these are the resources where you can get all the coding content. Next, digital marketing, social media marketing, copywriting, content creation, SEO are all areas that will continue to grow in future. So you can learn digital marketing also if you want to excel your career greatly. Here you can learn digital marketing from Udemy and starting content. And if you go to YouTube, Simply Learn is one of the most beautiful channel to learn digital marketing. Next, UX and UI design. Increased number of websites and apps has resulted in huge demand for user experience design. You can learn this course from Udemy and number of channels are there in Instagram also. If you go to YouTube, AJ and Smart, refer this channel to get full of resources regarding to UX and UI design. Next skill is coaching. The estimated market value for personal coaching is expected to reach 20 billion USD in 2022. You can learn this from a personal coach whom you respect. Courses, seminars, and reading books. I refer the book The Coaching Habits. Next useful skill is video editing. Video content video content is taking over TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube. Take advantage by becoming a skilled video editor. You can learn this skill by Skillshare. Try to recreate your favorite videos, YouTube channels. Like this, you can learn these skills. Number of resources are there. Here, I'm going to give few more tips to get these valuable skills. Don't forget that no amount of information will ever replace the work and practice. You will serve when you start, but don't let it discourage you. Everyone has to start at the beginning. It may take some experimenting to find the skill that is right for you. So, this is the class today. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. I am promising you to give definitely a good content. Please do subscribe, share, and like.